The story you're about to view occurred within 60 minutes.
My life is unpredictable. I work so hard to
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Olaiya. Happy birthday to you. We wish you many happy returns of that day. Long life and prosperity. We both love you. Yeah. Appreciate. TJ, you're good. My bad. Oh yeah, mom.
What's that? The expected sound. I never was a surprise. That sound.
Is your girlfriend?
That doesn't sound normal. Give me a minute.
Okay.
I really want to whatever happens, you guys should not panic. They are after me.
Really?
Much. Tunji, Jide, I expect you guys to take care of mom.
What is he talking about? Kola, what are you talking about? Kola!
oh my God, Lord is coming, yeah. Baba ṣe ń ṣayé wa, ẹ̀ka ṣe dáadáa, ẹ̀ka ṣọ́ra wa, àlè rí ìjọba.
Àwọn kan ní pé ọmọ Mùsùlùmí ní Agége ní Ìkẹjà ní Sábò níkẹ́ alágbó méjì tó ti dàgbà. Tí máa kú tó mi àwọn ògùn ká àsìkò farabalẹ̀. Ojú bá farabalẹ̀, a rí mú àwọn àgbálùpàá lówó ní àtọ̀run kó bọ́lá lára wọn. Ṣẹ́kẹ̀ṣẹ̀kẹ̀ tẹ́ lọ kó sí wa lọ́wọ́ ṣẹ́rọ bí ẹ ti jẹ́ lọ ní ẹ farabalẹ̀ kọ̀. Ọmọ nílẹ̀ ni.
When you put on nobody, if you feel them, who my son and nobody, one night you pay to Balam.
Èmi ni kọ́ni ṣàtì wọn wá fọ́ká wọn jó ń lo yàrá. Gbogbo pátá ní ìdíyàwó wọn mo kú fún wọn kó bá wọn dá wọn lọ. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá wá ní kiri wọn ní ẹ̀hànnà bó ti gbóró jọ béèrè lọ́wọ́ fẹ́yìn fọ́gbọ̀ háró yìí bí kọ́ni ṣàbò ń ṣe dá wọn lọ.
I see them looking at me, I'm getting bangalati, then they hating on me. You know they let me judge, you know they say you only. You know they fit me nigga, know they tell me story.
Ìmọ̀ràn ayọ̀ olúwa bí kẹ́yìn tèmi bọ́ sí gbòòrò káṣáyé lọ. Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ní ká má rí ṣe lágbára Ọlọ́run ní pé kó máa bálẹ̀ lọ. Wọ́n ní mo kéré ṣùgbọ́n mo lágídí kí lọ bá wọn ọmọdé kájọ máa kábìrì. Ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ ni mi bàbá foríjì mi, má jẹ́ ká mọ̀ dárí mi mú jẹ́ lọ́nà yìí.
They leave the shot and shot them see the down. No one can hold me down. Awala ni goro. Shorty say she wanna try, she dey feel my lamba gone yo. From Lagos to Hawaii, we made them feel like I'm a shot far away, On the MIC, them I know we on. Punish your fizzy mode, they cocky ready for the shot.
When we go to park, yeah, I'm going to pass the launch. I'm going to check on my same busy because I'm in the living the middle. I go from Echo, because past everywhere they go. The woman that I go to move, you see how they put the cabin woman.
Number one, model up in number one. My music dropping no visa on the run. Oh my, it's the attention. Your girlfriend tagging on my ready on your lips.
Check it out, mess, never see what forever. Obonyana me fena da makapisi ganya go bados. I take it low the lows. I'm committed to my lows. Big up at the vibe, my cause and all like my
They leave the shot and shot them see the down. No one can hold me down. Awalani Goro. Shorty said she wanna try, she dey feel my lamba gone yo. From Lagos to Hawaii, we made them feel like
Please, pardon my intrusion and permit me to introduce myself to you. My name is Taiwo. My good friends call me Aranko, meaning the animal. I'm a very gentle and easygoing guy, but my gentility and simplicity have been trampled upon by your son, Kola.
What really happened? We are not aware of anything. We have no idea what is going on.
Good question. May 12, 2015. While I was still serving at the maximum prison, Kirikiri, for murder, I received a bad message, a very, very bad message, that my twin brother, Kende Larewaju, aka Ghost, was murdered. I cried. I cried. I cried because we were unidentical twins. I started my investigation, and guess what? I discovered who killed my brother. And guess who? Your son, Kola.
My name is Rizzo. The good thing about it, they call me Chapter 4. I kill when it's necessary.
Oh my God, God is coming, God is coming, yeah, yeah. Baba Riwa, Baba Ngbawa, Baba Ngwa, Baba Shein Shaewa, Ereka Sheada, Ereka Shorawa, Hallelujah. He's coming over you.
Surely,
You're gonna see.
could that tabaku, tabadon, to get judgment. Only àwọn ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kan tá ṣẹ̀ nínú ayé yìí, tá dẹ̀ máa receive judgment nínú ayé yìí, and that's the fact. Hello.
Who are you? And what do you want?
Mr. Kola, my name is Taiwo Lanrewaju. My good friends call me Aranko. I'm the brother to the late Kende Olanrewaju, aka Ghost, the one you killed.
A snitch will always be a snitch. And nobody's gonna snitch on me and get the hell away with it. And this will be the last time you will ever do that shit. Take this.
Before I proceed, I need you to see something.
All about the hustle and the money. Me mama yo what money. Now me know what I see is money. Oh nicey, oh nicey.
I have a family. It's a serious hostage situation. I've got C4 bombs tied around them. And if you're foolish enough, you can involve the police. It means more debt. This is what I want. I want you to come back to the house with the 80 million naira you took away from my late brother. You have just an hour. If you don't come back to the house with the money, the story is going to be really, really sad. I can assure you. You've got 60 minutes to come back to the house with the money. And your time starts now.
The deal has been done.
Swagger, you know me too well. You know me like the back of your hands. Nigga, you know I don't joke with my money. There are two people I trust in this world. My mom and I. And I don't joke with my money, you know that. Because my money is more like my oxygen. Without my oxygen, you know I can't breathe. Don't give me a wrong info. Now tell me what you have.
Boss.
Yeah.
I've been working with you for the past 8 years. You should know there is no way for me to give you wrong information. And you know me so well. I, Swagger the schoolboy, aka Young Money Man.
Expecting you to open your goddamn mouth and tell me the info you have. You are doing self-appraisal in my presence. What insolence!
Sorry, boss. Mo lọ sí Ìbàdàn. Lọ́dọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ mi travel agent yẹn. On getting there, I saw some documents. Mo check àwọn files yẹn. Mo di document ghost ọmọ àtàwọn family yẹn. Mo fi style bèèrè lọ́wọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi yẹn. Mo ní báwọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣe jẹ́ sí ni. Ó ní kan náà àwọn client òun ni. Ó lọ ṣe preparation. Bó fẹ́ kó ọmọ àtàwọn family yẹn lọ sí Amman Jordan. That means pé wọ́n fẹ́ relocate.
For real?
For real, boss. I am 100% sure about what I'm telling you, and it has been confirmed and ticketed. But mo make step, mo make move, mo pe ibudu, mo ní kó máa fún mi gbogbo information tó bá lè get lórí ghost. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ mọ ibudu, ẹ mọ̀ pé kò lè fún any wrong information. So, boss, I want you to be rest assured that everything will be taken care of.
Ghost, I'm coming for you.
O smart. O fẹ́ máa double deal wa. Ìwọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ swindle ní àtàwọn guys mi. And we're at gunpoint. Ó kù díẹ̀ kí ya fi bọ̀ para wa. Now you are here begging.
No. Now let's look at it from this angle. You now say, hey, ọ̀rọ̀ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ kó tẹ̀ wá jẹ́ pé mistakenly orí bẹ́ẹ̀. I mean, èmi àti ẹ lè wà ní good deal tó jẹ́ pé àmì wọ́n á máa gbọ̀nsẹ̀ lápò sọ pé ní kò gbé kìíní sílẹ̀.
I'm loving it. Tí èmi àti ẹ̀ta bá ń collabo. Àwọn ọ̀dọ́ àwọn tó kún setting.
Exactly.
Mo like it.
Very good. Kò gbé kìíní sílẹ̀.
I like that. You'll come on.
Encourage the givers because they really care.
mom say? Ẹ ṣé gan. Tí o bá sí èjìká tó gbé aṣọ dúró dé, nǹkan bá ti wọ̀ ọ̀sán. Mom say.
Okay.
Thank you so very much.
Ọkọ mi kò tọ́pẹ́ rárá. You don't have to say it. If I don't do it, who will do it? If I have to give my 2 kidneys for my children, why not? Ṣebí mi ni mo bí, èmi mo wò yín dàgbà. If I have to lay down my life for my children, I will do it. I mean, 20 number kú wá fún irúbojú. Nígbà tí mo bá ní ohun tí mo lè fún yín láti jẹ́ kẹ́ gbáyé, why will I not give you? Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run tó jẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kí n tún fi ẹ̀mí mi rí ẹ, tí ìwọ náà tún wá fi ẹ̀mí ẹ rí mi. A dẹ̀ tún dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó fún wa lówó náà. Those your friend that give you money. That was very wonderful. That, in fact, mi ò lè dúpẹ́ tán lọ́wọ́ wọn. Because tí n bá fún ẹ ní kidney mi tá à ń sọ, táwọn ò bá gbé owó bọgọ ìyẹn sílẹ̀, it's all going to boil down to nothing. Because wọ́n bá rówó wọn ní ṣiṣẹ́, they won't do the transplant. Mo sì máa lọ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn dáadáa torí wọ́n ṣe gan ni. Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run á túbọ̀ bá mi fún ẹ lálàáfíà. Nǹkan kò ní ṣe ẹ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Well, take it easy, darling. It's fine. It's fine.
Mommy.
Yes, my darling.
Ní agbára Ọlọ́run, ẹni fi ọjọ́ lọ́jọ́ lọ.
Àmín o, Jésù.
Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ jẹ́ kí ẹ̀mí yín gòkè.
Sáré lọ mú ìnílà ìwá. Sáré jọ ọkọ mi sáré. Oh God. Yeah, press it on. Calm down, dear. Calm down. Well, no, you relax. There's nothing.
Olan, ó yẹ ká gbọ́ tẹnu Jímèrè ká tó bẹ́dùn wí. I mean, you need to listen to my own side of the story.
Will you shut up? Mo fẹ́ gbọ́ anything láti ẹnu ẹ̀, mo wà interested. Nǹkan tí mo kọ̀ bọ̀ ni pé mo ti send account details mi sí ẹ, owó ni mo expect. Ṣùgbọ́n mi.
Your brother and I did a business together. Instead of him to give me my own cut, he betrayed me. I was left with no choice. If you were in my shoes, you would have done the same.
Mo ní kò gbẹ́ inú ẹ dákẹ́. Will you keep quiet? Ìwọ, ó pa tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ tèmi torí owó. Nítorí common 80 million naira lórí pa tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ tèmi. Tó o bá lọ jẹ́ $80 million ńkọ́? Tó bá ti pa gbogbo ìlú nìyẹn, ó máa pa gbogbo ìlú pátápátá. Wà pààyàn lásán lásán yìí.
No, I am not a killer. I have reasons for everything I do. Let us settle this matter amicably. Ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ogun lèèyàn máa mọ̀. Kò sẹ́ni kankan tó máa mọ̀ parí ẹ̀.
Ẹ̀rọ akọ́lá gbọ́ mi. Tó ń gbọ́ mi. Tó ń lọ bá jẹun tán, á fọ́ ọ́nà orí. Tí àlejò bá jẹun tán, á fọ́ ọ́nà ẹsẹ̀. Nítorí tí wàhálà bá ṣẹlẹ̀, àlejò máa fẹsẹ̀ fẹ́ onílé máa forí kò. You have just few minutes to bring the 80 million naira down to this house. If you don't, I will turn your situation into an Armageddon. Promise you.
Hello? I'm fine, Daddy. Where are you? I'm missing you. I want it until you come back home. Love you too, Daddy. Bye.
Really? So you have family? And you're treating us like this? I mean, what are we so tied down for? Only God knows what, we have no idea. I don't know. Orí pípẹ́ kọ́ ni oògùn orí fífọ́. A kò lè máa jẹ̀yà nǹkan tí a ṣe. I mean, look at my sounds. Nǹkan tí mò ń try láti sọ ni wípé odò kì í wó ruru ká wàrú ni mo fẹ́ sọ.
I feel like crying. Great sermon. Great sermon. Let me ask you. Are you a pastor or preacher, alpha, imam? Because if you are, you better take that sermon to the church or a mosque. I'm not interested. I want to tell you a story. As a matter of fact, I want to tell all of you a story. Sherry, I'm from a very poor family. Very, very poor family. Lówó rárá. Ṣùwárí ìbejì mi tí ọmọ yẹn pa. At a very early age, we better cinema struggle to fi make it. I got admitted into the university. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ òun lára mi. He sponsored my education because I was a wayward son tí ó ní focus. He made sure I got educated. He transformed me. Ṣẹ́rẹ́ ni tọ́mọ yín pa yẹn is the breadwinner of my family, the pillar of my family. Ògo ìdílé wa. All thanks to my brother, my late twin brother, Olaiya, aka Ghost. I can confidently say now that I'm a chemical engineer, and the ghost of my late brother is here to haunt all of you today.
Don't you have human feelings? If you want to fight, if you truly want to fight, fight blow for blow, toe for toe. Stop threatening us with bombs. Only a coward would do this.
This is getting interesting. Really, really interesting. A coward would do that, right? Kokotiti, 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 kokotiti. Wow. The great Fela Kuti, Abamioda. Who owns this fella's CD?
I am. I'm an added fan of Fela.
Wow. What a coincidence. I'm a great fan of Fela too. And as a great fan of Fela Kuti, I guess you know what he stood for. I guess you know about his struggles. How he struggled for the people of Nigeria, and how many times he was jailed unlawfully. I guess you know all that. You see, Many people don't know anything about Fela and Kuti. Most people think Fela was just a great musician, but there was more to Fela. There was more to Fela. And as great fans of Fela, you and I know that he was a great philosopher.
He was.
He was a prophet.
He was.
He was an icon.
A stage.
And there would never ever be, I repeat, never ever be another Fela and Kuti Abameda. Great fighter that stood for justice. And what is your favorite Fela's track?
Palava.
You must be joking. Palava. That's my favorite style too. I love Palava. I love Fela so much that I can sing all his track. And I'm going to sing Palava for all of you. My brother dey on his own. Your brother go kill him. Waiting he dey find. Palava he dey find. Palava he go get you. Palava he dey find. Palava he don't get you. Keketi. Yeah, Abameda. Respect. Keketi. Razor, you should be dancing. You love Fela too. Keketi. Ba-na-na-na-na. Na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na. All the wahala, all the problems. One a chunk cause, one a brother cause, all the wahala, all the problem. Don't be here now.
Olan, this definitely is one of those bad times. We need to take a crucial decision. I am sorry for the death of your prophet. Please, don't kill my family. I promise to give you the 80 million naira.
Shut up! Shut up and listen to me. Do you know how it feels? How painful it feels when you lose the breadwinner of a family. Ìjùmọ̀bù máa ṣe ń rí lára tí ògo ìdílé kan bá kú. Ẹni tí gbogbo ìdílé gbẹ́kẹ̀lé. You are heartless.
You keep yapping your mouth about me. You don't even know me.
Shut up! Shut up. What else do I need to know about you? Just like me, I already know you're a graduate of chemical engineering. I also know you're a very deadly cultist while in school. You read Scorpion Confraternity. You are still a cultist though. And when you graduated into the drug business. So tell me, what else do I need to know about you?
Yeah. I was a deadly member of a secret cult when I was in the university. I have done terrible, terrible things. But one thing I have never done is to kill an innocent person.
But you killed my brother! You killed my twin brother!
Your brother snitched up on me.
A killer is a killer regardless. A killer is a killer regardless. And I promise you that you are going to pay dearly for what you did to my brother.
A betrayer must be eradicated. If not, he will go on to betray, and betray. See, I have been straight with you. I just want you to have this at the back of your mind. If you're looking for a way to break me, you better reevaluate your strategies.
Kola, I have an advice for you. If you know what is good for you, come back to the house now with the 80 million naira. Else.
I knew it. This is all about the money, right?
No, bro. It's not all about the money. It's all about my late brother, Ghost. 60 minus 32.
28.
Yeah. 28 minutes is all you've got left to come back to the house with 80 million naira. If you don't, your family goes up in smoke. Good day.
Gbé nọ́ọ̀tì mi sí. Ṣé bí nọ́ọ̀tì ti tiẹ̀ lélẹ̀? Èmi ò mọ bí gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe wá dàpọ̀ mọ́ra wọn tó fi wá jẹ́ pé àwọn nǹkan mi ló máa tọwọ́ bọ̀ káàkiri. Mi mọ bí tó máa mú nǹkan nínú room mi. I can not drop it anywhere. I don't know what he's doing with my notes. What is it doing? He's got this one here. What is wrong with this boy? What do I fit me see?
Ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ lára mi o. Tí ò bá ń ṣe wọ̀. Níbo ni mi ò bá wà lẹ́ni? Ọlájídé, o ṣé, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ. Torí ìwọ ni èjìká tí ò jẹ́ káṣọ bọ́ lọ́rùn. O ṣé.
Ọlọ́run ní ká fọpẹ́ fún. Nǹkan kan tó kàn fún mi ní concern ní títí x ẹ̀yìn. Àwọn ọkùnrin mi wà at least ṣá. Ẹni tó jàbálẹ̀ tó fún ẹ lóyún ó wá ń dúró síwájú ẹ ó ń sọ fún ẹ pé nǹkan lòun lóyún náà ẹ tẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀jọ́ mọ̀ pé òun ló ní. Tí wọn ọkùnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn bá gbé ẹ sílé aṣọ ẹ di punching bag ni.
Ọ̀rọ̀ tí yẹn àti ẹ̀ ti kúrò lórí atlas nìkan. Àmọ́ mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, mo dúpẹ́ tí bí mi mọ̀ wà láyé.
Anyway, sábàbí lọ̀rọ̀ lé ayé because tí kò bá ṣe bó ṣe ṣe yẹn o lè dọ́dọ̀ doctor tí o bá dẹ̀ dé ọ̀dọ̀ doctor rẹ̀ tèmi kò sí bí mi àti ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ mọ́ra. Wọ́n máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ love at first sight. Ṣorí látọjọ́ tí mo ti rí ẹ I don't know what to say. Ó ṣe bíbí. Bro. Ẹ̀rìn sásìkò ẹ wọlé at the right time. Ṣadé, meet ẹ̀gbọ́n mi. Ẹ̀gbọ́n bí ọ̀rẹ́, we like friends. Orí pa ìjọra wa. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, ẹ meet Ṣadé. Ẹni tí ó jẹ́ kí àbúrò yín tó handsome sí. Ṣé mọ̀ pé tí èèyàn bá wà bọ́lọ̀ ń ṣe dá. Tí ọba wa rí èèyàn kan tó tún wá múnú èèyàn dùn. Ojú yẹn á tún wá máa tún fine sí á wá look more handsome. Thanks so much.
Inú mi dùn láti meet ẹ. Orúkọ mi ni Kọ́lá. Ṣadé, beautiful name for a beautiful lady like you. Ó sọ pé you have been giving him so much happiness and that is the most important thing in life. It's a pleasure meeting you.
It's a pleasure meeting you too.
I will go inside right now, freshen up. Tomorrow I'm out.
Thanks, Ebo.
See you guys.
Màá bá yín nílé sí i, lè sọ̀rọ̀ better. Ṣọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi tí mo wò yẹn. Bó ṣe rí yẹn gangan ni ìwà náà ẹ̀ rẹ̀. He's philanthropic and kind. Tí wọ́n bá sọ wípé èèyàn dá, dáadáa tó ń gbénú èèyàn tí wọ́n fi sọ pé èèyàn dá ẹ̀gbọ́n mi yẹn gan ni ti dá.
Tí wọ́n dá gan ni o.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. So feel at home. Okay. Jẹ́ kí n lọ rẹ̀ mọ́ mi. Mo bọ̀.
Okay. And babes, what are your plans?
My plans? I plan to get a good job.
Okay.
Get married. And live a simple life. Just like my brothers.
Oh, that's nice. Yay!
Have you ever live simple life?
Of course, simple life is good. Yes. Oh, Daniel, live simple life. But
bro.
Báwo ni Jide?
As you can see, we're fine.
Yeah, I can definitely see that. She's smiling all over the place and all.
Ben.
I need to catch up on an appointment right now. I'll see you guys later.
All right.
All right.
You guys are really nice.
Yes.
You know what I'm thinking?
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking to take you in.
In where?
Jide. Bro, like seriously, enjoyment. I noticed you've been so extra happy. You know, ordinarily I want to ṣe fún ẹ tó máa ń bínú tó máa ṣe fún ẹ these days ó máa kàn overlook inú ẹ máa wá máa dùn bákan I don't know, and I know you too well. Tí nǹkan bá ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ níbi kan tínú ẹ ń dùn sí kinní yẹn ó máa reflect lójú ẹ. So that is what I'm saying. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ìwà àti Ṣadé?
Bro, sign thing you're marrying when you are in love. Ẹ̀gbọ́n, I'm in love. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ Ṣadé gan. Ṣadé is the love of my life. I'm planning to marry Ṣadé ẹ̀gbọ́n. In fact, I'm planning to see our parents next week.
For real?
Yeah.
But what about Chinyere?
Mo ti mọ̀ yín jù ẹ̀gbọ́n mi. Ṣé ìgbà tí ti ṣọwọ́ báyìí yẹn, mo ti mọ̀ pé orúkọ tẹ́ fẹ́ dá nìyẹn. Ó ní àwọn parents òun sọ pé kóun má fẹ́ Yorùbá. Case closed.
Oh, case closed. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Shade is a nice girl. Very, very pretty lady. I more approve it. Yeah. Best of luck.
Thanks, bro.
Vin Diesel. You know what I like about Vin Diesel? Vin Diesel, he has, a natural way of acting. God, I love his voice. Their feet. You understand? So I don't know. I like this guy. This guy is crazy.
Now I believe what Michael Bolton said in his song. Only when you're in love, kò ní sí nǹkan tó máa paramount ṣe mọ́ ju ìfẹ́ yẹn gangan lọ. Àbí ó gbà tó pé Ṣadé ni mo wò Ṣadé, I love you.
A one in the middle who don't lyrics for the work is the sing blah blah. I want to ọmọ mo ṣe ni agege ni Ìkẹjà ni Sabo nike alago méjì ló ti dàgbà. Farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ máa bọ́ mi don't be say I dey fumble. I tryna lift my homie. When you criticizing me lifting my homie man you gonna try. Nothing my future me I no go cry. So go farabalẹ̀. Ha, ojú bá farabalẹ̀. Arimu àwọn àgbálòpalò wèrè àtọ̀nù kò gbọ́dọ̀ yára wọn. Ṣẹ̀kẹ̀ṣẹ̀kẹ̀ tẹ́ lọ kó sí wa lọ́wọ́ ṣẹ́rọ bí ẹ ti jẹ́ lọ ní ẹ farabalẹ̀ kọ́.
What are you doing?
Mo nílẹ̀ ni mi máa rò bóyá mo bẹ̀rù yín mo farabalẹ̀ bẹ́kọ̀ mo kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ níbi tí mo lọ. Bọ̀ wọ́n ní mo dàbí tí ríngẹ̀ kú mẹ́ mo dàda ẹ̀rajà ṣẹ́ mi kò sí utọ́. Irú ìwé mo faraya mo dàbẹ́ ni tó sí wí láì mọ iye gbà kójú mi gan mo rànjú kalẹ̀ bí ẹni fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ jà. Ọjọ́ tá bá rí bí níbí wọlé ṣe rántí pé adìyẹ yín kò lè gbà bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni jẹ̀tì gbọ́ labalábá tó lọ kọlu mọ́tò tó lòun ti rí kò he mo tẹ́rí fáwọn àgbàlagbà kí n tó wọlé mo lè túlé mo lè dáre lé mo rádúgbò méjì.
What does it look like I'm doing?
You're sleeping cocaine.
No. They don't call it cocaine. Professionals, they call it coke. They call it crack. They call it dope. I mean, dope. You know, I am so dope.
I have to tell me about this.
No. You don't tell mommy nothing? You don't tell mommy nothing. As a matter of fact, you don't tell anybody anything. See there? This right here is what I do. And this is where I get the money to put food on the table for everybody in this family. This right here is what I do. And this is where I get the money to sponsor your education through university. Adebayo to graduate.
For like 2 years.
For like 2 years. For like 2 years you have been in the labor market looking for job. You ain't got nothing. 2 years. And every time you come home asking me for money, I have never hesitated for once to give you the money. Oh, you think it's easy? You think it's easy to make money? Oh, you think I pluck those money from the tree? You gotta be joking. I'm sticking my neck out there, risking my own life to make money and take care of everybody in this family.
Bread is better than pop. If you dey pick me, make you come out. If yourself pain, make you comfort. Only I know they run out. If I know when my success will come around, I go just pray, I no go walk. If I know when God go bless my house, I no go run, I no go walk. Then I because say I no get car, I no get Porsche. When they see me dive back, them my young trash. I no get cash, I no get swag. I got a house by my side and I get
Emmanuel. Oshe Monday. Wetona. I really appreciate you. Femi, are you crazy? You must be mad. Now get back to your bamboo clad post right now. I'm so happy. May God continue to bless you.
Koli Popo, aka the Illuminati. The Bible says, Ibukun ni fún ọmọdọ̀ náà tí ó fi 6 before 7 ṣe.
So,
àwa kọ́ ẹ, ìwọ tún gbẹ́kọ̀. We taught you how to fish, and you sabi catch the fish inside river.
So,
ọ̀pọ̀ ènìyàn ni a ti kọ́ ni wọ́n ti kọ́ tí wọn kò mọ̀. A lot of oranges na in blender don blend well no dey smooth, but we blend you and you grind well. Kudos to you.
congratulations, bro, on your new house. Wonderful mansion, bro. Life is good. We live it to the fullest.
Hey guys, mi ò ever mọ̀ pé Kọ́lá ní taste báyìí. In fact, I love this. I love this.
This right here is my 60 million naira mansion. Life is a jungle. You either hit or get eaten alive. Only the strong survive. Oh, you think all those girls out there selling their body to make money? Olosho, you call it Olosho, right? You think they're happy doing all that? No, they ain't got no choice because money must be made. Politicians embezzle money every now and then. Nobody's saying nothing about it.
This right here is what I do. And this is where I get the money. You don't sit on the couch waiting for money to come. Money ain't got no legs. You gotta go all out against all odds to make money. Life is more like a dice. It's looking at me with 6. It's looking at you, my brother, with 1. It's looking at the other nigga with 4. It's looking at this nigga with 3. Life is a dice. Now, if you want to tell anybody what you just saw, you better think twice. Because life is a dice. Tunji, come on. Tunji, come on. Come on. Tunji, hold on. Tunji. Come on, Tunji. Tunji. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
What are you doing with my brother?
It's too late to ask that kind of question from me. Kola, you are wicked. You are wicked. You are heartless. You know, you are the issue. Family me because you're just you are what evil. Kola.
Shade, I know I have done terrible things against you. I know I have been so bad. But I am sorry. I am sorry for everything I have done to you in Abuja. John Turi alone. I want you to find it in your heart to forgive me. Please, I am sorry. Please.
Kola. Babe, are you sure you love me?
Shade, I love you so very much and you know it. You are my type of woman. I can't do without you. And I've already sent your pictures to my mom. Unlike a gun. If you send pictures, say mom see me. Not that you approve it, then I do not have any reason not to marry you. I love you. You're my type of woman, you know, but I don't believe in a relationship without sex.
But Kola, you know I'm still a virgin. And I'm not ready to give my virginity to any kind of man that is not even ready to, until I'm sure that you want to marry me.
Come on. I am not any kind of man. I am your man. And baby, see, I want you to have this rest of mind. I don't want you to have any doubt.
My virginity is the only pride that I have, and
it's a pretty table. I work so hard to put my food on your table. Yeah, hey vegan, know your virgin table. And when you hug me, I hug you. Love you say I be encourage the giver, encourage the giver, encourage the giver. They really care. Encourage the giver, encourage the giver, encourage the giver. They really care. Hey boy, why you gon' turn me to your fool? You call me every day and night, make I help you, yeah. Cause I get pity for my face, no be say I be mumu. Every day and night, you dey
Why did you move off now? I think you're not keen, eh?
Thank you very much.
Hey, she's better, darling. Thank you.
Alright.
Shade?
Yes, babe.
Kí ló wí lórí phone yẹn náà?
Honey.
Yeah.
Mo ti lóyún.
For real?
Yes.
Wow, come on.
Thank you.
Congratulations, man.
Oh, you're happy for me?
I am really, really happy for you, man. That's a good name.
Thank you, darling. Thank you.
That's so good. Who's the lucky guy?
You are responsible for this baby. Shoti Gbagbe. You are the first and the last person.
The first and the last. It doesn't mean I am ready to have a baby. I am not ready to settle down and make...
Oh no. The last time, I came to of one. He paid ọkùnrin tí mo bá sure pé ó ti ready àti fẹ́ mi. Òun ni mo máa fún ní virginity mi. Ó dẹ̀ fọkàn mi balẹ̀. Ṣó rántí?
Shade, if you know what is good for you, you better take yourself and this baby right here to the owner. Because I do not look like someone that is ready to get married right now.
Oh, baby, don't for me. Ola.
What are you doing?
Ṣàánú mi. Kò síbi tí mo máa lọ à ń ṣẹ́yún lè wájú.
Let him so koko fún. Actually, Buki is on our way to this place already. Mo dẹ̀ ní fẹ́ kó dé kó bóbìnrin pẹ̀lú mi, you know, I'll be looking like a player and I don't want to.
Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Èmi gbà sí celebration lálẹ́ yìí ni o. Èmi àti Tala tún fẹ́ lọ. Èmi àti beautiful woman. Oh, ó ti máa ní kí n máa pò ní mọ̀mọ́. My beautiful lady. Kò yẹ ẹ á máa lọ gbà sí lálẹ́. Gbà gúlúgbà, gbà gúlúgbà, gbà gúlúgbà, gbà gúlúgbà.
You ask me for money, give it to you, give it to you. The next thing you got me say, you know, do you know that? You know what thing I face before I feel to give you. It's a pretty table. I work so hard to put my food on the table. Yeah, you better lay your virgin table. And then you hug me, I hug you, love you, say I do. They call it the giver. They call it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't sleep. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Today. I'm sorry. You know what you think. I'm still in love with Kola. Mo pé òun bàbá lé mi. And mo ti ṣe ìlérí wípé ọkùnrin kọ́kùnrin tó bá bàbá lé mi ni mo máa fẹ́. Kola. Ìgbà tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé nǹkan kan ò tí pa èmi àti ẹ pọ̀. Òun ni mo ṣe ní kí n padà sọ́dọ̀ ọkọ àárọ̀ mi. I'm sorry.
kó padà sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n.
Jide.
I am sorry.
Please.
When I step on the street, make I get my way, go to pay. I pray. They got the haters now run, come just look at my face. I pray. I pray to God every day, make I run in the race. I pray. Make it shit, you know, if me up when I be running my hustle. Lord have bless, bless, bless. Lord have bless, bless, bless. Lord have bless, bless, bless. I live on the street, bless, bless. Lord have bless, bless, bless. Lord have mercy, mercy, mercy. I live on the street.
Yo,
Bless, I live on the street.
you still think that I'm bluffing, right? What's the delay?
I will soon be with you.
Now listen. If you get a lot, you'll reform in the next few minutes. My family members, we should promise.
I have been trying to transfer this money into your account, but the network is so bad.
Look, I don't bluff, because bluffing is not in my blood. I'm that nigga you don't want to fuck with. You have 20 minutes left to bring the 18 million naira down to this place. Else, your guess is as good as mine.
I am doing everything I can to make sure this money gets into your account today, now. I am not messing around. Just give me a little time.
I'm very sure this guy is not coming. Wow, more people, you can't blow more than you gotta get out. You got no time, please.
Razor. I'm a power sing.
Sure.
I'm a current behind sing. I'm the detonator and it he won't be power. But I want to tell all of you something. In case about you cool, become a panyo or my look my. Let's go!
Uncle, please. I'm begging you, please. Tell your mommy, okay, shut that your mom. I know it will come. It will. I'm going to oh my God. Oh my God.
Mr. Taiwo, torí Ọlọ́run, mo fọlọ́run bẹ̀ yín, mo fi twin brother yín tó kú, mo fi bẹ̀ yín. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ kẹ́ bọ̀rọ̀ lókun. Ṣeré tó bá continue láti máa ṣe báyìí. In the next few minutes, ṣé mo lọ doctor lójú ẹ ni? Do I look like a doctor to you?
Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, listen all of you. Sherry tó ń bá ti kú is to my own advantage. Mo ní need láti waste bomb mi on him. 1 down, 2 to go. Mo lọ pè ní -1. Get the body get the accident yeah pa. Na double wahala for the body and the owner of the body. Double wahala for the body. The body oh. Wahala for the body and the owner of the body.
Fela gave hope to the hopeless. He helped the needy. He never for once in his life hurt anyone. Rather, the government hurt him for his kindness. If truly Fela was your mentor, as you claimed, you won't allow an innocent soul die.
Because I've told you now that Fela is my mentor. You're not trying to use Fela as a channel to get to me. Listen, what I'm about to do, I'm not doing it because of this family. I'm doing it because of the great Abaneda, Fela Kuti. Respect. Where's the healer?
Stop!
You are talking as if you're talking to your husband. Do I look like your husband? Better!
Razor, get it. Where's it?
Nothing like that.
Nothing like that.
Yeah, don't hear that.
Razor, be fast about it. Razor, be fast about that.
This is it.
He's dead. I said.
Look at what you call. You have just 2 members of the family alive. One is dead.
What? For the guys with the holy eye, make we live a holy life. Make we love one another, show love to each other, change our living style, oh. Make people feel alright, oh. Níbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run lọ́kàn, níbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run lọ́kàn, oh. Bàbá ń rí wa, bàbá ń gbọ́ wa, bàbá ń wò wa.
What are you doing with this? What is this?
Mom.
How did you come about this, Kola?
Mom, you are shouting.
I'm not shouting!
Mom, you need to calm
down. Will you shut up? Don't tell me to calm down, okay? Don't tell me to calm down. This is drug. You do drugs? Hey, Kola.
Mom, I am a drug dealer. Mom, this is what I do to make money to put on the table for everyone in this family. Yeah, Mom, our dad worked for God for good 30 years. He died while working for government. Instead of government to give him his gratuity, the next thing the person in charge of pension fund, the money was not forthcoming. We were living in abject poverty. Somebody had to do something. Mom, the last time the kidney problem that we needed to do a kidney transplant, we needed 5.5 million naira. There was no way we could get this money. But they gave us in time. Mom, I want drug dealers here. Yeah, I want drug dealers. I want to help me with that money.
We've been to the hospital. We've seen your doctor. We will be transferring the total sum of 6 million naira into your account.
Hey!
5.5 million naira will be for the transplant of your kidney. $500,000 naira additional will be for the upkeeping of the living. and you're gonna receive the alert shortly. Hey! 6 million naira! Thank you so much. I was pushed to the wall. My brother was in school, he could not get any money to fund his education. I had to do something. I am the firstborn. I have responsibility. I had to step in my dad's shoes. It was not funny, but I was down with no choice. I had to do what I did.
Is that why you have to do drugs? This is drugs. This can kill you. Kola, egbògi olóró. Oh my God. Kola. Oh my God. Kola. Ẹ̀rù tí ẹ bá rárá. So imagine that this can actually kill you? Just leave it. Hey! Motidaro, you have killed me. You have eventually killed me. So, what's your drugs? So, imagine go to the Saudi Arabia. I know they will cut off your head. To ba jẹ́ pé America ni wọ́n fún ẹ ní 28 years, 28 good years. What happened at that time? To kilo fi ko ma ṣẹlẹ̀ ngba ẹ. To ba jẹ́ pé ní Nigeria ni wọ́n fún ẹ ní 18 good years, and only God knows what will happen. Ṣé kò of course wí pé you have killed me. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé tó bá bí bá kú mo bá kú ni. The abject poverty that you are preaching, that fucking shoes that you have to step into, if anything should happen to you. So our brother, it does not occur to you that they will be back in abject poverty. He was stepping into your father's shoes. I gave you my kidney. I gave you my kidney because kidney. Nobody was going to give you anything. I gave you my kidney. And at the end of the day, with this love that you do, I am still going to die when I know that you've been arrested or your head is off.
From the look of things, mi ò rò pé bàbá ìfẹ́ turn up rárá. Mo lè fẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé risk gan. My spirit keep on telling me Kuti involve ọlọ́pàá. Ẹranko. We have to act fast. What is the next line of action?
Razor. Wà bọ́ síta ń sìn wá scan gbogbo compound yìí. Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá rí tí ó bá jọ ọlọ́pàá. Be it a woman, be it a man. Shoot at sight. Kó pa. Kill.
When you put on nobody, if you feel them, who must send nobody when I baram.
Èmi ni Punisher tí mo wá fọ́ká wọn tó ń go yàrá. Gbogbo pátá ní ìyàwó wọn mo kú fún wọn kò bá mo dá wọn lóru. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá wá ní kiri wọn ní ẹ̀hànnà bó ti gbóró jọ béèrè lọ́wọ́ fẹ́ yí fọ́bù hárò yìí bí Punisher bó ń ṣe dá wọn lóru.
I see them looking at me, I'm getting bangalati, then they hating on me. You know they let me judge, you know they say you will do. You know they fit me nigga, know they tell me story.
Mo máa ráyọ̀ olúwa bí kẹ́yìn tèmi bọ́ sí gbòòrò káṣáyé lọ. Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ní ká má rí ṣe lágbára Ọlọ́run ní pé kó máa bálẹ̀ lọ. Wọ́n ní mo kéré ṣùgbọ́n mo lágídí kí lọ bá wọn ọmọdé kájọ máa kábìrì. Ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ ni mi bàbá foríjì mi, má jẹ́ ká mọ tárí mi wọ́n jẹ́ lọ́nà.
They leave the shot and shut them see the down. No one can hold me down. Awala ni goro. Shorty say she wanna try, she dey feel my lamba gone yo. From Lagos to Hawaii, we made them feel like I'm a shop far away, On the MIC, them I know we on. Punish your easy mode, they got you ready for the shot.
When we go to park, yeah, I'm gonna bust the launch. I'm a Kahuma sana check my same busy because battle in the deep in the middle. I go from Echo, because pastor where they go. You see how they put like a bullet woman.
Number one, model up number one. My music driving no visa on the run. Oh my, it's the attention. Your girlfriend tagging on my bed, on your lips.
Check it out, mess, never see that forever.
Fẹ̀yìnrìn ni agbára ló lọ mú wá ṣíṣì tó fẹ̀yìnrìn ni owó mà ló lọ gbé wá. I'm ready for the honor. So my baby because they want. So my baby because they got. They are just they.
Wow. And the prodigal son finally came home.
Kọ́lá, mo fi Ọlọ́run bá bẹ̀. Sórí bá mi fún wọn lówó wọn. Wọ́n ti pàbúrò ẹ̀ dànù o. Bá mi fún wọn lówó wọn.
Shut up! Owomida,
How am I going to trust you? Come on. You're still having the detonator with you? Still got a gun? What if I transfer the money into your account and you still go ahead and blow up my family?
I'm a man of my word. And my word is my bond. You can trust me.
Trust you? Taiwo, trust you? I trusted Kenny. He betrayed me. How am I sure you're not having the same blood running in your veins? Shut up! Shut up! My brother, my late brother was not a traitor. A betrayer is always a betrayer. A snitch will always be a bomb-clad, blood-clad snitch.
How dare you? How dare you? What guts? What effortry? You have the guts to call my late twin brother a bomb-clad before me? Social already? Now listen to me. I don't give a hoot. I repeat, I don't give a hoot about all the sermon. Nkoti mo need lowo mi. For the last time, owo mi da.
The network was bad. I've been trying to send the money since. I couldn't go to the bank. I had less than 60 minutes.
go to the bank, formality and all that. It will take a whole lot of time. Give me a little time and I will transfer this money. I knew it. This is all about the money. You ain't got no love for your brother. You are just here to get the money and bounce because you are a cheap, broke jailbird.
You think I'm a broke nigga, right?
Yeah.
A fucking jailbird. And you think this is all about the money, right? Before the count of 3, give me my money or I'll kill her. 1, 2...
Oh, what is that? Where is my money? See about 2 million CC. Back my TV. Where is my... I'm losing my cool. I'm losing my cool. Hey! Where's my money? Where's my money? Chill. Take it easy. This right here is all about the money. You know it. You know if you kill me right now, you ain't got nothing. And a man without the money is a walking ghost. Yes, you're right. It's not about the money. A man without money is like a living dead. I need 80 million naira right now. Listen, if you don't bring out the money right now, I'm going to kill you and waste your family. What? Chill! Chill! I got something to show you. What's on the top? Chill! What's on the show me? Take a pill and chill!
Daddy, please come. Come and rescue me. I don't want to die.
Please, sir, come and rescue us, please. We need your help.
Mr. Olaiya, the report from the lab shows that your motive active is less than 20%, and your sperm fluid is less than 50 million. And that shows, for now, the chances of you getting a child is very slim. But however, we will place you on the medication that can increase your chances of getting a child.
Doctor, if I can hear you correctly, are you trying to say without the medication, I can no longer be a child on my own?
I need to be honest with you, Mr. Olaiya.
Hey. Happy birthday, son. How are you?
Fine, Daddy.
It's your day, okay? Have fun. I've got a special birthday gift for you. Wait. It was given to me by my mom. That's your grandmom. She also gave my twin brother something like this. Your uncle. Okay? So I'm giving you mine as a birthday gift because you are the most wonderful thing that ever happens to me. Happy birthday, son. I love you.
I love you too. Thank you, Daddy.
My boy, I love you, my boy, I love you, okay? Now, I want to take you out for your birthday. Where would you love to go?
I would like to go to the cinema to watch a movie.
You want to see a movie at the cinema? Okay, yes. Boy. We'll go to the cinema, okay? Let me get the car keys. Come in.
I really want to let you know I want to party tonight. I really want to let...
Ghost and I did some business together. He betrayed me. I killed him. I was wrong. Ghost was wrong. You came all out, strapped C4 to my family. You are wrong. I've gone to the extreme to kidnap your own son. I am wrong. Come on, we are all wrong. Two wrongs can never make a right. We have 2 minutes to diffuse these bombs now. Diffuse my family bombs, and I will call my boy to diffuse your child's bomb. Shut up! You expect me to trust you? You expect me to trust you? Now listen to leave my parents.
I'm still in charge here. I call the shots, okay? You expect me to trust you? And diffuse the bomb strapped around your family? Look, I can only do that on one condition. Tell whoever is in charge of my son. Place him on a video call. I want to see him. We diffuse at the same time.
Swagger, I want you to diffuse that bomb, but on my account. Get ready.
Oh my God, Lord is coming, Lord is coming, yeah. Baba Riwa, Baba Riwa, Baba Wokwa, Baba Shaiwa, Erega Shirada, Erega Shorawa, Kale Rijoba. He's coming up for you, you're gonna see his face. Prepare yourself for the Lord Most High. Make we live a holy life. Make we love one another. Show love to each other. Change our living style. Oh, make people feel alright. Oh, Niberu Ọlọ́run lọ́kàn. Niberu Ọlọ́run lọ́kàn. Oh, Baba ń rí wa, Baba ń gbọ́ wa, Baba ń wò wá, bá a ṣe ń ṣayé wa. Ẹlẹ́ka ṣe dáadáa, ẹlẹ́ka ṣọ́ra wa, ká lè rí ìjọba. He's coming up for you. You're gonna see his face. Prepare